हरि ओम शिवस्वर्णमाला स्तुति श्लोका नंबर 16 करुणा वरुणालय मयि दास उदासस्तवोचित नहि भो सांब सदाशिव शंभो शंकर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् करुणा वरुणालय मयि दास उदासः तव उचितः न हि हे विभो. There is one more sambodhanam here. Hey Karuna Varunalaya. Varunalaya means Sagara. Varunanaka jalam, water. Alaya, a storage, a water body. Abdinaka, here we have to understand Sagara, Samudra. Hey Karuna Sagara means one who is an ocean of compassion. So, Hey Karuna Sagara, this is not an uchita karyam. What you are doing is not uchitam, no, not proper of you. What? Udasaha, you are being indifferent. We saw it in a different shloka also, right? Audasyam udasasya bhavaha for aukara. The shloka starting with aukara. So, udasaha means being indifferent. We say parang mukha, right? So, when somebody is coming, turning our face away. When somebody is coming and asking something, turning our face away from them. So that is what Acharya is saying here. That too I am your dasa. Mayi dasa udasaha tava uchitaha na. I am a dasa, sevaka, who is coming to you, and you are karuna sagara. You are known to be an ocean of compassion. Appadi irukumbodhu, I am your sevaka. With a sevaka bhava, I have no other gati. You are my gati and I am doing sharanam to you, and you are being indifferent to me. This is not uchitam. Certainly this is not proper of you. So when we need something and we are going and doing prarthana for it, in bhakti it will come, right? I am asking so many times, you are not even listening to me. What you are doing is not right. அப்படின்னு நமக்கு அந்த ஒரு பக்தி in that vein will get touched, right? That is the vein Acharya has captured here. So, hey Vibho, hey Sarvavyapi, hey one who is along with Uma, hey Sadashiva, hey Shambho, hey Shankara, I surrender to your padam. Tamilla, hey Karunai Kadale, உமது தாசனாகிய என்னில் நீ பாராமல் இருப்பது உச்சிதமில்லை. ஹே எங்கும் நிறைந்தவரே, உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே, மங்களஸ்வரூபத்தை உடையவரே, எல்லோருக்கும் மங்களத்தை செய்பவரே, உமது திருவடிகளே எனக்கு சரணம். I think we can see one more shlokam. We'll see the next shloka. Khala sahavasam vighataya ghataya satameva sangamanisham bho Samba Sadashiva Shambho Shankara Sharanam Me Tava Charana Yugam. Khala Sahavasam Vighataya Ghataya Satam Eva Sangam Anisham He Vibho. This shloka starts with the Kha. The previous shloka that we saw in the same audio started with consonants in Sanskritam. That was starting in Kakara. Here now Khakara. Ka vargata paaka porom ipo. So this one starts with Khala. Kha. Khala sahavasam. Khala means dushta. Dushta sangam is the opposite of sat sangam. We say, right, sat sangam all of us are aware of. Dushta sangam means the opposite of sat sangam. Dushta means wrong friends. Sahavasam is one who travels along with us. Wrong friends, bad company of friends, we say, right? So, dushta sahavasam vighataya. So, calling out to Shankara and saying, remove or detach me from dushta sahavasam, from wrong friends, wrong sahavasam. And satameva sangam ghataya. Satsangam, unite me, connect me with satsangam. Anisham means always. Let me always be in the company of noble people, good people. So, keep me away from the company of dushta, bad people, and enable me to associate or connect me only with noble people, good people. I should always be in satsangam and remove me from dushta sangam. Hey Vibho, Hey Sarvavyapi, Hey one who is along with Uma, Hey Sadashiva, Hey Shambho, Hey Shankara, I surrender to your padam. Tamilla, Dushta Sahavasattai Niki, சத்சங்கத்திலேயே எப்பொழுதும் என்னை கூட்டி வைக்க வேண்டும். ஹே சர்வவியாபி, ஹே உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே, ஹே சதாசிவ, ஹே சம்போ, ஹே சங்கர, உமது திருவடிகளே எனக்கு சரணம். All right, we'll see the next shlokas in the next audio. Ram Ram Ram.